We'll practice finding the missing side of a right triangle and its perimeter. Here's the problem. A pennant is a right triangle with a horizontal base of 8 centimeters and a vertical side of 6 centimeters. Part A, find the slanted edge, the hypotenuse. Part B, find the perimeter. Here's a diagram of the pennant. The base is 8 centimeters, the vertical side is 6 centimeters, and the hypotenuse is unknown. First, we use the Pythagorean theorem, which says the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the two legs. Plugging in the values, we get c squared equals 8 squared plus 6 squared, which is 64 plus 36, giving 100. Now take the square root of both sides to find c. The square root of 100 is 10, so the hypotenuse is 10 centimeters. Next, find the perimeter by adding all three side lengths. The perimeter is 8 plus 6 plus 10, which equals 24 centimeters. Remember, for any right triangle, the Pythagorean theorem lets you find the hypotenuse when you know the two legs.